Okay, so today I'll be opening one of the Cute But Deadly Series 2 figures from Blizzard. Comes in this really nice box, good durable, and these are the options that you can get. I'm expecting to get Tracer because I really like Tracer. So let's hope I get Tracer in this one. Alright, and I only got one. I only got one because I could only afford one, even though they were on sale. Ooh. Comes in this little sealed foil bag so that we can't tell what's in it. Here we go. Well, try the other side. Nope. Try it this way. Alright, we did it. You ready to see? What could it be? I actually don't know what this is. Alright, cool. So what we got was Illidan. Whoa, that's so cool. Illidan is, I think, well, she's Blizzard. That's it. Look it. Oh, you can't see. Alright, here we go. Look, her hands turn. So you can turn her weapons in different ways. See? But what a cool thing. She's pretty cool. Didn't get Tracer, but I got Illidan. Oh, look at that. It's crazy horns. And wings. And a cute little ponytail. There you go. Did it.